Welcome to the UNC channel. In this video, you will get to know how to download previous year question papers and answer keys for UGC NET exams. Currently, NTA or National Testing Agency conducts the NET exams on behalf of UGC. NTA conducted its first NET exam in computer-based mode in December 2018. Before December 2018, this exam was conducted by CBSE and was a paper-based test. Way before CBSE, NET exam was conducted by UGC itself. Therefore, if you want to access past question papers of NET exams conducted from December 2018 onwards till now, then you need to visit NTA's website, that is nta.ac.in. To access question papers from December 2014 till June 2018, you need to go to cbsenet.nic.in. And all the question papers from 2009 till June 2014 are available on ugcnetonline.in. All the links I mentioned in this video can be found linked in the description box below. If you are new to the channel, do like and subscribe to the channel for more UGC NET exam related videos. If you have suggestions and requests for more UGC NET related content, do comment below. So let's begin. In this video, I will specifically tell you how to access previous year question papers from NTA's website. For this, first go to NTA's website by typing nta.ac.in. On this page, towards the top right, you can find the downloads option. Click on that. When you click on downloads, a new page will appear. Here, you will find the download mock test option, and just below this, you will also find a section which says previous year's exam papers. So here you can see various options like year, exam type and paper. So suppose you want to download UGC NET question paper for the year 2020, then select 2020. Under exam type, select UGC NET. Under paper, select your subject. I have selected economics here. Now click on search. After clicking on search, you will find a new page that shows the list entries which has the name of the exam, paper name, year, date of exam, shift, and you will also find the download option here. So now click on download. When you click on download, a new tab comprising the question paper will open in PDF format and you can save it and access it as and when required. Now you have to understand that this particular question paper not only contains economics questions but also questions of paper 1. First 50 questions will be questions related to paper 1 or part 1, that is general aptitude. And then if you scroll down further, you will find paper 2 questions. Here we have chosen economics as the subject. So from page 75 onwards, you will find questions on economics. As I have told you earlier, on the NET website, you can find questions for the years 2018, 2019 and 2020. If you want question paper for the year 2018, click on any ANY in the year section. You will find all the questions from 2018 till 2020 here. Now you know how to download previous year question papers from NTA's website. Next, let's see how to find the answer key for the UGC NET exams. For this, you need to go to the NTA's website or type nta.ac.in. Then scroll down and towards your right, you will find the archive section. Click on archive and you will be able to download the answer key for the required exam. The only hassle is you have to find your answer key among various other public notices and updates for other exams. Similarly, if you want to find answer keys of past question papers from 2009 till June 2014, you can go to ugcnetonline.in and click on the archive section to your top right. Also remember that NTA updated the NET syllabus in the year 2019, which was applicable from June 2019 onwards. This updated NET syllabus can be found on ugcnetonline.in under the heading Syllabus. If you have found this video informative and useful, then do like and subscribe the channel. Do comment if you have any suggestions and if you want more information or content on UGC NET exams.